talking about teachers, pay teachers, the TPT storefronts. If you are new or returning, welcome. Here it is, all primary. We talk teacher side hustles. And hello, it's been a little while, a lot longer than I thought. But anyways, that's fine. We're moving on. I'll share with you about this crazy summer, but I hope you're having a great break. And let's get into this, because the TPT storefronts, the new storefronts, which personally I like them a lot. I feel like I got food. Yep, I have a stain. Oh well. The TPT storefronts are fairly new. They came out, they went live July 1st. Let me know down below in the comments whether you like them or not. You're entitled to your opinion, but I personally like them. They're missing some major things. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to also show you, I don't know, about a half a dozen other not screenshots. I'm going to show you some other TPT sellers stores. Random. I was just doing some random checking of some sellers, and I wanted to see what they were doing for their storefront banners, and they're very cool. TPT has already put something there if you have not yet, and that's okay. I'm going to show you a store that has nothing in it. It's brand spanking new. They don't even have their freebie, and I'll show you what it looks like. So what we'll do is we'll go through the storefronts. We'll then look at mine, and I can show you some errors because initially when the town hall meeting came out, they had the categories across the top, just underneath the banner. They are now back to the left-hand side. As well as we're going to talk about what things you really should have, and if you don't have features, how to get features. We'll do a bunch of things with storefront, okay? Anyways, let me turn the camera around and let's get at it. Okay, let's look at some different TPT storefronts. And this is mine, obviously. As I shared in another video, I purchased a template when they were really cheap, and this was one of them. I think it's going to get changed, but I liked it just to start. It just kind of got my wheels spinning in motion. But one of the things that you want to look at doing is putting something up here that people will look at. Let me show you a couple other stores and see if something grabs your attention that you're interested in. So I'm just going to type in some different sellers. So at the time of filming, it's the Teachers Pay Teachers Back to School site-wide sale, and I want to show you one that is using the TPT banner. This is the TPT banner. You get them when they advertise the sales, and look what they did. How easy is this? And this is why I like these banners, because you can change them around super easy. Okay, but there's one right there. Just shows the sale whenever someone comes and visits. You just have to remember to take it down when the sale is finished, right? So here's another one. This is Deanna Jump, right? Lots of stuff here. So here you can see, again, examples of school work, and then just a title, okay? Let me show you another one. This is first grade. One of the things I'm going to talk about is writing here. For kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, I would write something, okay? Anyways, but I like the look of her store, actually, other than that, right? Yeah, it's very cohesive looking. Intermediate teacher, 4 pictures. She just put cardstock behind each of them, or maybe did it as a screenshot and put borders behind them, and then a nice colored. You can see what she wrote here. I taught over 23 years in the classroom. This one's very basic. It just says back to school, right? No images. Now look, they got 52,000 followers, 55,000 reviews. Banners hasn't affected their sales at all. So if you're feeling stressed about your banner, don't worry about it. As you can see, some teachers don't even have a banner yet, and that's okay too. All she's done is put her name. and everything black. Again, 646,000 reviews, which is usually like a fourth of all your sales. 121,000 followers. She's not hurting with her banner, right? She's used it to advertise a sale, which is why I wanted to show this. And I think this is a great idea. Schools, you can have your own flash sale, your own back to school sale, a birthday sale, and you could put it right into your banner, right? It looks great. You can do anything you want. You really can. There was one that I'm sorry, I thought I wrote it down and I did not. But what they did was they actually advertised their email. You know, sign up for a free newsletter or to sign up for free freebies and things like that. Let's keep going. Let me go back to mine. Mine looks boring compared to some of these, and it doesn't matter. But you have the option right here to add social links. So if you are on Facebook, if you are on Instagram, TikTok, right? You just click here and you just put your addresses in. Okay, actually I didn't put Pinterest in there, shocking. Okay, but they give you the 4. I wish they had YouTube on there, but anyways, that's okay. So you can add your social links. This is very different because back when I started, they didn't want you putting any external links in your profile. But one of the things they had shared at the the town hall meeting is that, you know, this is your store. They kind of want to treat it like Etsy, is what I'm getting the picture of. But this is really important here, what you're saying here. You want to come across as an authority or an expert on something. You know, to say I make everything, you're not going to get a huge following. Most people who follow you are following you for specific things. I get a bunch of people following me who are interested in my primary resources, but I also get people following me who are TPT sellers and they're watching what I'm doing or they're following my TPT bundle stuff, right? So you can get people for different reasons. Talk about your favorite types of resources. Talk about your favorite type of learning, right? And they only give you so many characters here. If you go down to the very bottom, past your resources, you can get more of it there. Okay, so your teaching style, any biographical stuff. I put most of this stuff down here. Actually, I can get rid of it because it's already up at the top, isn't it? So I can edit and get rid of, is Instagram up there? I know Facebook is, so I can get rid of Facebook. Hold on, let me change it. What did I have up here? I do have Instagram. Yeah, so I can get rid of Instagram down there. There's no point in repeating things. Some people might like that idea. I'm going to put edit Instagram. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to save changes first before I make sure I got it. I'm going to go to my social links, put that in, save it, and now the Pinterest icon shows up. And now I can go back down here, edit, and get rid of Pinterest there. My Boom learning is on here. We'll see. Well, that's another video. Now, one of the things I want to show you is the categories. The categories were across the top, right here. They've now moved them back to the left side. I think they've made them wider because as you see here, my dividers are wonky. So I got to fix these up, right? Actually, I don't even need one after writing, to be honest. So let's go to manage categories. And this is something you need to just make sure that your categories look okay. Writing, I'm just going to get rid of. Decor, I needed. Money was the other one. Okay, let's save those. Actually, they get automatically saved. So let's go back. They usually take upwards of a day. So, oh, the writing one's already gone. The US money fixed. Okay, so I didn't do decor farther enough. I did 6, so maybe I needed, so let's go back, and I didn't do winter. I forgot winter. You should have told me that. Okay, so winter. Now try it. That was actually fast. So normally not that fast, so that's a good thing. Winter's still there, decor's still there. I think I did it right, because that's how I play with things. I'll leave those two and I'll check them tomorrow. Ideally, how are you going to help teachers with your resources? How are they going to help their lives, make their lives easier? Okay, so talk about that without sounding too salesy. Now, if you do not have featured resources, how do you get those? It's super easy. Go up to the house and click product listings. And then you go over to the side underneath categories, and you go down here to product status and click featured, and you are only allowed 4. The first one is, I'm gonna move the summer games. They're not over yet, but they will be soon. So I'm just going to, you go to quick edit. It's underneath the product status. So just unclick it and then go down and update. And I'm also going to get rid of the summer words. Okay, update it. Okay, so now I'm down to 2. So I'm going to go back to my products and decide which 2 do I want to feature. So again, we're in August now. Let's do something that is back to school related to feature it. So I could feature my editable planning templates. They actually sell pretty well, but they're only $1. I'll work on that. And the other one I wanted to do is my get to know you stuff. Yeah, I want to do this one. This one sells decent at this time of year. So let's feature that one. And now if I go back to my store, just take a look. They should be fixed already. And there they are. So take a look at your store, look at your links, see if you've got links, look at your paragraph of what you want to say, get some featured items. Again, keep them. See, I would change these out. Someone asked me, how often do you change featured resources? I sometimes change them whenever I add a new product and put that in the featured resources. I would do them for sure seasonally. Seasonal products are usually good sellers. I'll be changing that out soon. Okay, and then again, your information at the bottom. Okay, I will put a link down below to the, what was her name? I think her name, is the Resourceful Teacher. If you still don't have a banner, so the Resourceful Teacher. Yeah, that was the reason why I had her name on my list. And she has a free banners. So just go to price. Actually, she's got freebies there. There they are, right at the bottom. Okay. So if you click on here, like I said, I'll put the link down below, and she gives you 6 free templates, and they're actually pretty nice. I might even play with one of those ones. I just downloaded it the other week. One of the things I forgot to add, I just noticed when I was editing, is that the 2 big things that are missing from the storefront are your reviews and your Q&A, both equally important. So that means that it is super important that you have your notifications on your email so that you get an email saying a review has been sent or a Q&A has been posted. Because if you don't have those, then you've got to be watching all the time through your phone, because the notifications, when you go to your notifications, they will show there. Those are the only places. TPT is completely aware of it. They're working on it. But in the meantime, don't let reviews and Q&As go unanswered. What I love about these storefronts, they're super easy to change. As you saw with that one store where they just put the TPT site-wide sale banner on, why not? Why not? You could, I mean, it's so easy that you could literally do one every month or every season. I kind of like the idea of doing some seasonal ones. We'll see, right? It's new. Will depend on how the school year is going, right? Now, I had filmed 2 or 3 videos prior to going on holidays. They're somewhere. I don't even know. I went online and I didn't download them to my iMovie app, so I got to go check some SD cards. But the next one I'm going to do is another boom card video because, yeah, there's I don't even know what to say. Anyways, that's the video is talking about how to add accessibility tools which are becoming required. You may decide to pull out of Boom or at least pull out of your TPT. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my strategy. I don't even know how long I'll do this for, but we'll see. I'm just, Boom, I'd love to just, yes. Anyways. As well as I got a Google Slides video. And if you have the TPT seller bundle that I sell in the TPT store, I have upgraded there's a cat with a fly. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, this doesn't matter. Whoops. I've updated the Boom checklist to add accessibility tools. The product creation has been updated in the last couple months. I am adding a Google Slides one that may be there next week. In fact, it's right now at the top of my list to finish. I started a few things, didn't finish them. Story of my life sometimes. So we'll leave it for now, but wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy, and we'll catch you in that video or the playlist. Take care.